Welcome to our channel. I'm doing a dry peppered steak rub using garlic, paprika, thyme, oregano, salt, pepper, a little bit of cayenne pepper, and I'm stirring that up together. It's got enough paprika in there that it's really going to give a beautiful reddish color. Today I'm using New York steaks. I've also used this with tri-tip and ribeye steaks. I'm generously rubbing these with olive oil. That will help the seasonings to stick, and then I'm just going to sprinkle these on. And then I'm going to flip it over and do the same thing to the other side. Just give them a nice coating, get it rubbed in. And then we're going to cover that and put it in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Get it chilled, get that nicely seasoned. And then we're going to put on the grill. And now this just makes a great accompaniment to any meal, whatever you want with your steak. Just gives it a nice, delicious flavor.